Crude distillation unit pressure vessels face highly variable corrosion environments. Changes in sulfur, TAN, chlorides, and feedstock can quickly make existing protection systems unsuitable. When protection systems fail, operators face increased maintenance costs, schedule risk, and the potential for major vessel repairs. IGS delivers engineered corrosion protection solutions through Weld Overlay and HVTS, helping refineries extend asset life and reduce execution risk. When existing cladding is damaged or incompatible with today's crude diet, IGS can restore thickness and apply corrosion-resistant overlay engineered for the specific corrosion mechanism. IGS combines Weld Overlay and HVTS to match vessel condition, corrosion mechanisms, access limitations, and turnaround schedules. Protect your pressure vessels with engineered solutions backed by decades of refinery experience. Contact IGS today to book your complimentary site visit.